Well, hello there and welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be discussing how to grow the absolutely amazing Japanese painted ferns, Athyrium niponicum, niponicum meaning relating to Japan. No, this isn't one of those, it's over here, come on. Now we're talking. This is Athyrium niponicum variety Pictum, and this one has the prestigious award of garden merit for being absolutely brilliant, robust and reliable. Check it out a bit closer. You have these lance shaped bipinnate fronds with this purpley red mid-rib, and that fades out to a silvery green at the edge of these frond tips. Absolutely beautiful, and also has this recurved shape forming on the leaves. Now, this plant doesn't get particularly huge. These fronds will only get to about 30 centimeters in length, sometimes more in excellent conditions, but it's the coloration. It's the coloration that is key to the popularity of these plants, although this particular one tends to be the only one you see for sale in the garden centres. However, I wanted to show you a bigger selection, so I have picked up a collection of these just for you. So you owe me $29.99 plus $4.95 shipping by the end of the day, please. So I've received my package from Parker's in a slightly damaged condition. We'll open it up and see what we've got inside. Should be, I think, about 4 different cultivars. I can't remember what they are. Ooh, oh, that's tiny and got like tip burn on it. Ooh. It looks a bit like the Pictum, not sure, but it can. I don't like all this browning on it. What the flip? What is that supposed to be? Oh, mate. You know, I don't think I've ever opened a box from a mail order plant company and not been washed over with disappointment. And again, the exact same case. But it doesn't matter. This is what happens with mail order. You're just going to have to accept it as part of buying plants without seeing what you're getting first. So to continue, how do you grow Japanese painted ferns? Oh, hold on a minute. If you're finding this video useful or even just mildly amusing, then don't forget to click the thumbs up, press on that subscription, and if you want to be notified of whenever we release a new video, then click on that notification bell. It helps us more than you know, and it allows us to do stupid visits like this in the future. Anyway, let's continue to find out what old boiled butt has to say. Put my bloody glasses back on. Too hot, too sunny. It's too lovely. Oh, before I do that, in my disappointment, I forgot to tell you which cultivars and varieties I've got. And these are all quite interesting. I've got Silver Falls. Now this is another really good form. It's got another award of garden merit on it. So this is absolutely fantastic. I've got the Ursula's red. Now, I mean, that doesn't look red now, but these, the coloration will improve as these plants get bigger. But this has got that really dark coloration on it, so I'm hoping to get this one. This one's brilliant. Femina, I don't actually know what this one is, so I'll put up a little picture so you can see what this one looks like. And the last one, Vidalii, the one that's protected the most, which is why has this one been given the special treatment? Maybe this one's the most valuable. Anyway, to continue, how do you grow these in your garden? Well, it's all about soil condition and positioning. Now, in their native habitat of Japan and East Asia, you'll find these growing as an understory plant. So when you're trying to find the right place in your garden, you need to mimic its natural conditions. So it prefers shade to semi-shade, so it doesn't mind a little bit of sun in the morning, it doesn't mind a little bit of sun in the afternoon. I would recommend planting it under some kind of a canopy so that it is protected from the direct sun at the hottest part of the day. That way you'll never get that ugly leaf scorch. So there you go, shade to semi-shade. Do not have it in full sun, do not have it exposed to sun at the hottest part of the day. So as you can see with our plant that's already been established a couple of years, it's protected by a lot of foliage underneath, including in between these two trees. Your painted tree fern will require a reliably moist soil. Something that's free draining, something that does not become waterlogged. Now, as these plants establish and their root systems start to creep along, they will become more tolerant to periods of drought, not too long. So it is quite a robust plant. So prior to planting, it is worth improving your soil. If you can dig in plenty of organic matter, like leaf mold, like a garden compost, dig that in, make it quite rich. But once that is in place, you don't really need to feed these plants too much. You could put on a top dressing, something like a blended farm manure over the winter period. But like I say, it doesn't really need the protection of a mulch, because these plants surprisingly will go down to between -10 and -15 degrees Celsius. So that is almost bulletproof. You just got to get it established first. Also to do with your soil is its pH, which relates to whether your soil is acidic, neutral or alkaline. Now your Japanese painted ferns, they will like it between neutral and slightly acidic. So you have a pH of somewhere between 7 and 6. Now if you're not sure of what your pH is, you can always get yourself a little soil test kit. They're quite simple, they'll tell you exactly what your pH is. Or if you're not too fussed about that, then just mix in plenty of ericaceous compost to the soil. Ericaceous compost is an acidic formulation, and you know, if you really wanted to, you could pick yourself up an acidified plant fertilizer. So there you go, that is everything that I have to say on how to grow the painted Japanese ferns. I think they're also called painted lady ferns, but you know, common names are just a pain in the butt. But if you've got any other great advice that you would like to add regarding these plants, then put that in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Did I mention that these are both rabbit and deer resistant? I thought I got your attention. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Right, now, just before you go, if you want to see more content, more behind the scenes stuff, and images that I've taken of some weird freaky plants over the years, then you're in luck, because we have created an Instagram page. So you can find the link in our description, you can find the link on our main page, and if I'm clever enough, I might be able to get a link somewhere up there. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more YouTube stuff, then check out this video here. That's quite a good one. And if it doesn't float your boat, then another one right there. And enjoy these while I've still got the strength, imagination and aptitude to make them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.